Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful octopus keychain. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn. Black color yarn is for eyes making and blue color of yarn is for octopus. And also here I am using crochet needle, 4mm of crochet hook, a scissors, and also a keychain hook I am gonna use in this video. So let's get started. First I'm gonna use this blue color of yarn for making the magic ring. So wrap yarn around it over the hook like this and hold it with your fingers. Insert your hook into the loop and make chain 1 for single crochet, yarn over. Here we have a magic ring, chain 1, yarn over and pull it. This is for single crochet stitch. Insert your hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull it into a toe loop. Insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into a toe loop. This is the single crochet stitch. Make total of 5 single crochet inside the magic ring. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it into a toe loop. Make 2 more and complete the total of 5 single crochet in first loop. Here my last of single crochet stitch. Next I'm going to pull this leftover yarn and close the magic ring. Pull this yarn tightly. Just pull it tightly and close the magic ring. After pulling the yarn, I am going to make slip stitch into the first of single crochet stitch. Just insert your hook into the first of the chain. Insert your hook into the first of chain and pull yarn twice. Just pull yarn twice. Here my first round complete. Now for the next round I am going to make chain 1, and in this round I am going to make 2 single crochet. This is the first chain, is counted as a first single crochet. Make 1 more into the same chain below. Now in next chain I'm gonna make total of 2 single crochet stitches. In start I'm gonna make total of 5 single crochet, and in second round we will have total of 10 single crochet stitches after making 2 single crochet in each chain below. So complete the total of second round, make 2 single crochet in each chain below. Here is my almost last stitches. You see my half round complete. Now make 2 more single crochet in next 2 chains and complete the total of second round. Here my second round complete. Now insert your hook into the first of single crochet stitch and make slip stitch. Just insert your hook and pull yarn twice. My second round complete. For the third round I'm gonna make chain 1 again. And when you start a new row, remember chain 1 and then start stitches. In this round I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, then increase, make 2, then 1, then 2, then 1, then 2. Now in second chain I'm gonna make 2 single crochet stitches, and when you reach on the odd chain you will make 1. Here is the third chain. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in this chain, and here is the fourth, and here I'm gonna make 2 single crochet stitches. Just complete this pattern with 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in second chain, and complete the total of third round with these stitches. Here my third round complete. Insert your hook and pull yarn twice. Now my third round complete with increasing stitches. Next we're gonna make 2 rounds with 1 single crochet in each chain below. Chain 1 and start 1 single crochet in each chain below. You see clearly how I make this. Just 1 single crochet because we're gonna make 1 single crochet for closing stitches and moving stitching downward. Here you see when we make 1 single crochet the stitch is gonna be upside, so we just flip it and turn the stitches downside. So repeat the same pattern of 1 single crochet in each chain below from the 4th round and 5th round and 6th round and 7 and 8. After completing the 3 round, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in next total of 4 rounds. Here I will show you how to make this. just one single crochet in each chain below for going stitches upside, and here we stitches are gonna be upside. You see, just flip it and put it downside. So here you see clearly the stitch is gonna be downside. I'm gonna make total of chain 1 at the starting of new row and complete the total of 4 rounds with one single crochet in each chain below and complete it. Here my 4 rounds complete, you see clearly 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here I make one more piece. As starting I make like first of 3 round, 1, 2 and 3. Just repeat it and make one more piece. Now in the last I'm going to make chain 1. This piece I'm gonna attach into the downside of the stitches. Just cut it with your scissors. After cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work. This piece I'm gonna attach into the downside like here. You see. Next I'm going to make the eyes of the octopus. For making eyes here I'm using this black color of yarn. I already insert my yarn into the crochet needle and make a knot into the last. Now I will show you clearly in this video how to make eyes. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Repeat the same pattern as I make eyes and lips of the octopus. So make sure you will repeat all the pattern same and make eyes and lips of the octopus. Here my eyes and lips pattern complete. Now I just cut my leftover yarn with the scissors, and here I insert this yarn into the crochet octopus because of filling, and here I am also using this cotton. Put this cotton into the octopus and just fill it. You see how I fill it. Next I'm gonna attach the piece into the downside. For attaching a piece here I make just slip stitch. So first we place it with each other, then insert the hook into the both side and make slip stitch. For making slip stitch, just yarn over and pull it twice. You see how I make this, just yarn over and pull it twice. Now for the next chain, insert your hook into the both side of the loops, the octopus one and the piece one. Insert your hook into the both side and pull yarn twice. Insert your hook into the both side and pull yarn twice. So here you see clearly how I make this. Just repeat the same pattern of make slip stitch and complete the total of round and attach both parts with each other. Make sure you will attach every stitch with each other and just complete the total of round and reach into the last and join it together and close the end and come back. Here my round complete. You see how I attach it. Next I'm going to make the wings of the octopus. Here I make small and the cute little wings. For making these, chain 2, and here I'm going to make double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain below. For making the first wing, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, make one more into the same chain below, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain below. Pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Now insert your hook into the second chain 1 and pull yarn twice. So this is the first wing I make. For the next wing I'm gonna make 2 chain again, then again 2 double crochet into the same chain below. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, make one more into the same chain below. Pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Insert your hook into the second chain below and pull yarn twice. At the beginning of new row I'm gonna make 2 chain, then 2 double crochet into the same chain below, then slip stitch into the second chain. Just repeat the same pattern all around and complete the total of round with wings and reach into the last. Here my octopus wings keychain complete. You see how I make this. Now in the last I'm going to make slip stitch. This is the last slip stitch I have ever made. Just insert your hook into the last loop and pull yarn twice. Again insert your hook and pull yarn twice. After that I'm going to make chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. So cut it with your scissors and pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last. Here I make a knot with chain 1. Next I'm going to hide my leftover yarn inside the stitches. Insert your hook into the back side and pull yarn twice. Like this. This step is for making your work neat and clean, so make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. So this is the complete and the final look of crochet octopus. Now in the last I am going to attach a keychain hook onto the top of the octopus. So here I am using this floss and the crochet keychain hook. Insert your keychain onto the top of the octopus like this, and in the last make sure you will attach it tightly. So here you go. This is the complete and the final look of crochet octopus keychain. Let me know in the comment how look it is. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.